Hi, Hussein here. Welcome to Property Vlogs channel. You're exploring the luxury project of the year, South India, and the Hamlet is the premium apartment located at top location of Bangalore, Sadashiv Nagar. All lake garden facing apartments, exclusive 7 apartments in a building with 1 floor per apartment, options for single suite and duplex, premium internal finishes, rooftop infinity edge swimming pool, fitness center and entertainment area. Sadashiv Nagar is a posh locality in Bangalore, and this is the lake facing apartment with OC and CC opt-in. And here is the beautiful Sankey Lake surrounded by plenty of trees, broad roads, and the location itself is the landmark. Nearby Bellary Road, electronics showroom and other leading brands outlets in this location. Thank you for watching my video. For more details, check out the description area, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Property Vlogs channel. Thank you.